I lived in the city for many years, but I grew up on a farm out west.
Yeah.
Growing up, my dad was a cattleman, and as a kid, I would sit in his farm truck, and in his glove box, he had this herd book, and the herd book went back to the 1960s, and in that herd book, he had all the breeds listed. So I was always fascinated by breeds.
Did you start when you were like 13?
Yeah, Mom and Dad gave me a calf for a Christmas present. I
Oh,
was in
that's
grade
how-
7. So yeah, I was probably 12 or 13. Yeah. We've had people, like older people, like in their 70s, say that this beef tastes like it used to taste
Right.
when they were younger.
Right.
And plus, you started reading all about, the marbling and the flavor and stuff like that, and it was becoming on, all the best restaurants' menus, and chefs were working with all the heritage breeds as opposed to commodity meats.
Yep.
And yeah, I guess you at the
But,
butcher shop would
yeah.
have noticed too.